So today I'm going to show you how to add a text background shape to your text in Adobe Express. I am in Adobe Express in February 2025, so if yours looks different, this may be the old way, but as of now, this is how you do it. So I've got my text. If you don't have your text in yet, just go over here to the left-hand side and go to text, and then go to this bluish button that says add your text. And then you can type in whatever you want, but I don't need that because I have what I want right here. What I'm looking for, I have an example right here. The text background shape has this rectangle behind it, this white rectangle. That's what I want for this add or change wording. So I need to get a background. Where do you find that? Well, you go over to the text edit menu. You're probably in edit already. You need to move over to effects. Once you're in effects, you scroll down to shape. And you have some options available, but I would like to see everything, so I'm going to go to view all. And then here are all the options. There's lots to choose from. So the text background that I've been using on this one is just this option, the first one, which is a customizable kind of background highlighter. And I just scale it to what I want, and then I can change the shape color or shape fill with this little square on the right. There's a square on the left for the text fill, so I could change the text color with that. I'm going to change my shape color just as an example. There we go. You can customize it or you can color pick. Let's see, that color, maybe a little darker. Okay, for now we'll just do that. And I can change the text color if I wanted, but I'm going to keep it at white. Okay, so that's that. You can also add all sorts of shapes. So if I wanted to get real fun with it, I could do a circle. That's too big, or an oval, I should say. I can scale it down. I can do laurels, kind of fun, or any of these options. And then after you've customized it to be what you like, you can leave it as is. If you want to remove that shape, you just go right here to this little no sign. Click that, and that's it. So I hope that this helped you guys. Please join me and watch my playlist on Adobe Express where I have lots of tips and tricks. Thanks.